All right, y'all, I just put the charcoal fluid into the grill, and I hope I'm okay. So let's go ahead and start this. And it works. This actually works. Wow. A rechargeable lighter. This is amazing. All right, so if you want to know how long this thing is, it is approximately 10 inches. So you have a his and you have a hers, if that's how you want to separate it, or you have two at once. So to be safe around your kids and stuff, you should turn it off, and it's off. They don't have nothing to where it locks, so that's about it. And there goes your charging port. Okay, you guys, so I just showed y'all that this works when you're lighting up for your grill, right? Now I'm ready to show y'all more stuff. We have here a candle. Put the candle up for y'all so y'all can see it. Hit the button. Voila. Do it again. Put the electrode right there. Like nothing. See that? Doing it again. Trying to get a little closer, y'all can see the whole thing in action right there. And simple as that. This is a pretty nice gift, okay? Oh, blow that out. All right, now we have something else. Right here we have a torch. So I'm going to test this out for the auto mechanics. I'm going to test this out for the contractors out there, people who's dealing with metal that need to, heat it up to get it bulked out and stuff like that. I'm going to do this one for you. Let's see if we can use this to light up our torch. Put this on real quick. Got it open. Now you can do whatever you want with the torch. Let me turn it off. I think that's about it. If you want to see if this works out with anything else, let me know. I'll try to do a video for it. But for the most part, I'm pretty sure I did as much as I needed to do. But important information right here is the rechargeable battery. This is 170 milliamps of battery. All right, so I really don't know how long that will last if you don't use the lighter like that. Or maybe you use this to smoke, then that might actually mean something to you if you you lighten up your stuff or whatever you smoke. So charging time 1 to 2 hours. Do not use fast charge. Oh wow, I don't know why they say that. Maybe they should put why. Maybe it's in the warning section. But right here, I will do what they say because I don't trust this thing. This thing, maybe it might explode. I don't know. So do not use fast charge. All right, so that's it with this review. 2 lighters for 11 bucks. Can't beat that. Basically, these will be forever lighters until they're dead. These run out of fluid. So yeah, you will have to just keep going to the store and buy new lighters. Other than that, if you like this review, please leave a like. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section. And don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel.